Hello, my name is Christy, and I have been Zoombombed. It was exactly like what you see on the news. It was a graphic image of a surgery, very loud music, people talking in different languages but using derogatory remarks in English. And by the time it was over, even though it was very short before it was taken care of, it was a little bit jarring. So I want to come here to help you know, what do you do if you get Zoom bombed or you have an unexpected guest join your meeting? So on the left-hand side of the screen, you can see a list that I have from Locking Down Zoom video that I created of the different settings that you should already have on and off in your background. And today we're going to talk about how to use the security button in meeting. So we have somebody who's ready to join our meeting. Let's say that your security options are just completely open, no restrictions. In that instance, what usually happens is the person who's trying to get in clicks join, and voila, they're in. So let's say that this was an instance where you're getting Zoom bombed. It starts with one and then more just pop in from the experience that I had. But even if it's just an unwanted guest, how do you get rid of them and close your meeting fast? Come down to your security button. Click it and lock the meeting right away. This will keep anybody from getting in at all. Then go to participants, find anybody who's disruptive, go to more, and remove them. Once they're removed, they can't come back if you have the correct setting on. So click OK, and they're out, and they can't get into this meeting again. Now, they can get into that same ID later because I've just removed myself and I'm going to come back into the same ID later. But I'll have to end this meeting first, so they can't get into this particular meeting again. Actually, I have an even quicker way that you can get them out. You can simply hover over their name, click the three buttons, and then remove them that way. So let me show you what happens if they try to get back in. They click join, they have the same prompt about video, and then they get an error message saying they can't come back in. Once you've removed the offender, what if it's still a public meeting and people need to get in? Well, come down to your security tab again. You're going to enable the waiting room, and then you're going to click lock meeting so that it really unlocks. This is going to allow people to come back into your meeting once more, but you get to qualify who is coming in. In fact, it's not a bad idea to have this setting on to begin with. So let's see what happens when somebody tries to come in and you have the waiting room enabled. Now that the waiting room is employed, they have a message saying, wait, the host will let you in soon, and you get a message saying, CK has entered the waiting room for this meeting. You can either look at the waiting room so you could admit everybody one person at a time, or you could simply click admit. And then the same factors apply for what we did earlier. Once they're in, if you had this on to begin with and you realize this is a disruption, then you can come and you can remove that participant once more. So hopefully this helps you in case anything happens unexpected in meeting. See my other video for what you can do to set these and what they actually look like before the meeting even begins. Good luck.